Vitamin K2 liquid is a liquid source of vitamin K2 as MENA-Q7, which provides 90 micrograms per half dropper of vitamin K2. MENA-Q7 is menaquinone 7, the most clinically validated form available. This formula contains natural MENA-Q7, where the MK7 is naturally derived using a fermentation medium with chickpea protein and Bacillus licheniformis. This means the natural variety of MK7 is free from allergens including soy. Numerous studies have shown that low vitamin K causes reductions in bone mineral density and increases fracture risk. And so vitamin K2 is a really important vitamin for supporting bone health alongside vitamin D. In fact, if you're taking vitamin D, it's really important to also ensure that you have adequate intake of vitamin K2 because they work together to be protective against the calcification of the arteries. Vitamin K2 liquid is ideal for those who wish to add vitamin K2 to their supplement regime, especially those who want to support the maintenance of their bones, and for those who may be at more risk of lower vitamin K status, including children, pregnant women, the elderly, and those with impaired intestinal absorption. Suitable for vegans and vegetarians, vitamin K2 liquid has a handy dropper for easy, flexible dosing.